Remember this video from earlier? Yeah, not kidding.
We're here. Skip. Swarms.
So we're gonna do that right now. This is what was it called? A education game from Roblox. As you see here, I've been grinding off camera. Now I have 3 bees. What is happening to the soil? Whatever.